You did?
Well, it might have been something else.
We'll see. When she's relaxed, she'll let her legs get long. Oh, she fought that to getting measured today.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, she hated it,
That's
that
so
weighing, and she just cried.
Mm.
Well, part of it was she was hungry, I guess.
Yeah. When
Oh.
Does this mean I have to wake up?
Charlie.
Come on, little girl.
you can sleep tonight.
You want tickles? You wake up with tickles. Oh. Oh.
I was gonna wake her up a little bit more on her back.
I was gonna say, I'm gonna just pick her up for a second and see what she says. Hello. Hello.
To your dad, to your dad.
Oh, there's some eyes.
She rolls them.
There's some. You gotta wake up first. Hi. Oh,
Yeah, here it goes.
we're upset.
Yeah.
Let's wake up for a second. Let's wake up.
She doesn't want to wake up.
Let's wake up. Let's wake up.
Now you know how we feel. It's miserable, isn't it?
Got her.
Huh. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Oh. 4 in a row. Oh. Oh. Push some more.
Oh, good girl.
Push some more.
There you go. There's the head.
Come on, push some more. You can do it. Push.
Good. Come on, lift your hand up too.
Push some more.
Ooh.
Did you?
Hey, Charlie, come on. Come on, Charlie. Hi. Oh, okay. Hi. Come over here. Come over here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Charlie, come here. Charlie, come over here. Come over here.
You're at a better angle and watch this.
Oh, that's better now.
Yeah.
I think I like this. Is that okay?